literal no ono no opposite that agenda no se ne be ya ma me no mum afa de obetima san ba be KUNA. This team legal wife Alex kan ye omo so omo de ye omo business and to money na sefo e na Pakoso for no mama chana ne hwan no omo so agenda chieftaincy hwan agenda until all of these things are netted.
Abusia hi Ghanainfotv so open trending news and in some trend on social media and so dia wa se beka kofa dia be so mo channel you so na ene particular video be trend on social media and so be kasa be make sure so be come ho nya kotie ane akohwe de trend ni bi e dia ba de aka no ye ba beto amoso.
The final one ne say papa na omo che the Monday no ono na lead agenda with omo nkan with omo blogger.
Yes.
DL afunu no omo nkopa chirimra. Ti say kinke say ubie mu say ya na utie audio na obehu say eye stages o ma planning
stages
and nim says that why when your audio na person ka obo audio no na audio fufura san ba biem o ka audio bi na ba 2 days ago no de na omo ka sika na omo koje ye no na wo bo sa audio no de na no ye bo na nwumra me ka say da bia de chia na be bo no Anti per those two audios no. Mami jama kinke we are ready na wabo na mabom. Kinke mpacho brem.
Alex sa papa kroya o kan yi. Utie ni nsama o kan yi a yede no court ya. Ono no se omo nkotu efunu no. Okay? Na omo meye proper amamre emma mami Akosua Serwaa emenya closure with what? Nikunu.
Yes.
Senye ya nka asemi ameka to aso no eni wo kan yi
wo hanti untimi nka nso so
enti enti amajaye no wo kasa asemu ya say yenkutu efunu no mra o na yemeye proper amamre na mami Akosua Serwaa no omenya closure with nikunu, and this man talks directly with what mami Akosua Serwaa, which Omwankasa they confirmed it. Obia utie that nyame record here na me de to me platform na me send it be bro no right. They confirmed it. Lady no buy no. Was it counselor send you kasa directly with Mami Akosua Serwaa no. Ne lawyer no so kasa directly with her. Memo when na nya contact me the number be send you. Look at all of these things. And this man until Obia on the side send let's say no. Until ono no sa literal no ono no opposite that agenda no. Send e be ya ma me no mum afa de obetima san ba be KUNA. This team legal wife Alex kan ye almost so de ye omo business and to money na sefo. E na Pakoso for no mama chana ne hwan no almost so agenda. Chieftaincy hwan agenda. Until all of these things are netted. Okay? They are entangled. Now what to platform so now could blame abusua penya. What to the na yesi ho no mo a why na dish year say on pen kambo mu na we nipa boni na wona atete abusua ntamu a ukasa asemu ya why na beti wase. Now we are honest and now say you are just supporting, say you are just a team legal wife in Tino. Asemba, you will not analyze it critically. Maybe you want me to say, now because of this team, no mama, up no so every now and then biano almost share and trophy for deba. And they what the awmaka. Send a new video by watching another one to will come. They keep on formulating stories every now and then. I can't say and that. Na say omunya better response or China, then they transform that as some krona to another thing. Alex Kanye every inquiry ho enum by that press a year inquiry by Ukanya, na say would you compare employee on level of intelligence to their mother? Employee in pen sema, pese papa nanim begu ase efunu no omo papa amu no yebekoso agu nanim ase do so omagu de but omo pese eto ntwa but omo maame na nkasa action a oye ewa akire no enkire se maame no pese eto ntwa maame no de opese go to any length because kotu ne nkasa ekra begu from mama no a she will be okay with it. How? One may no you see anybody na wie. What else do you want to prove? What do you want to prove to anybody? You want to prove what? And what are you going to gain out of this?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, me talk Kasafa.
Okay, my member audio no. And
all
when
right.
it comes
to this case, me, I have dedicated my life to this case.
Oba, I know what you can do.
Me, you know, some mommy will say, "You and your bonnet, Tianita."
And look at the entire is ready a mouse. Dear America,
Baby, you'll be making up one tiaka, and all that you are saying, and an interest. Mamma can't summon them. Court appeal, Sika Michi. Yeah, will be the same one powerful one. You did the record is abreme. Asantua Enumton, our night witch platform. So, was you obey Jakwaji Sikano? One with this canon, acquire appeal. And a one with Sikano, 120 million. At the source, can near $5,000. Me, Bidin Yam didn't say. Mammy Akosua said, where Sika Enyam.
Oba, I know you. I know you.
Beginning of and Tokwana Bekumuno. Anna that and the group. Anna suggest is a send you that Lumba the museum. I shall not like Yen Fiaka. Tina says Sika be wo. Anna or my meme a Ghana's temu. Is it 50 something? It's a 50 million. Anna I shall man pay. And I'm happy to be. And I'm advised to catch on say young queen ya yet mean shayka. Say young queen young queen odobroni Akosua say want to come ya. Sikama meaning yan a son. Eti kakaka ni abanijeno. Yamani available to the woman.
Emuna,
Wouldn't say,
I don't know what
that can I am from no woman no. And when I did obey you to take room. Because my poor my create account says Kabia come a main account mu. Is a say Kababa bed DSM Nayati be a chair hookent and come a main account. What the member to take and from away. Me I made a homo. I read you.
okay, that's one part of it. Hold on. But hold on for me. But you're multi mikasadi.
Yeah, I talk Kasa.
But hold on. And then the old days I know how I was here born a door. And then let's listen to this one. Sorry. But audio now, but most of the man is not available. But hold on, Patrick. So the first one I'm a boy and the other lady. I want to play another one. Okay, hold on.
Yeah, open video na ba no. Clear say ye tua omoka. Omoda payroll so. Omaje appearance fee. I omaje appearance fee. Na the money who you kura ne say most contract and casa was sign no. And go be free be sign on bonus. Almost just sign on bonus. Bacho bo.
And unless me say shushe mini monako hase wo na wabɔ nwum bi me de pa Obama tibliga wife no ra onya bi ati onya nwum bi ati
Yeah, and then say kinke ne ye bebo hase.
Okay, very good.
Monak boy one send be amam you. Enti
I want the platform so.
Aye. Bacho yanko. Why ready?
When my friend me create nigga wife biem was what wafa mediamao and then me come team nigga wife biem ma be come na me gu team nigga wife me kasa me nipo best stop ma me Akosua se wa na se me ya adwuma ma no ma me Akosua se wa braketu so no na ka chem se me nya ya e ma mo me kasa na team nigga wife nipa na egu no munya team nigga wife me am there se me kasa ma me Akosua se wa me nya blogger me hu si one mo ba for dem ma me Akosua se wa. When the man became team leader wife for me and me good no.
Alex, but go on. I have one last audio, but I'm looking for that.
My Sunday back be the amount. Boy no mame. My Sunday man ne dear no.
The man but you say available.
Oh, I available. Me akasa my bonuses here.
Whilst I train no, make sure comment section or me so be atro or say this is the worst abusuapanyin ever. In some ya kan o hase pa no edem pa na kire wo say abusuapanyin Kofi Wusu ne action why from day one ebepem this time no or no na the worst abusuapanyin ever that you know. Inti in your own family pa na sa same way esi ya. Why na wobetimi de wonsa si wo bo aka se ono na wo ya abusuapanyin a wobetimi asolve asem we I go through this case sane abusuapanyin Kofi Wusu ayi na watimi anyansa a type o honum say this is the worst abusuapanyin ever. Makes him worse. Ne ekoso na wonti ase ana say why you say you don't want to reason? Because there's no action now. Why actually a man here the worst ever. Then action now person on take it. Obi say I was say and making sure say and kambom ebeba busua mu. E den pa na busua pan Kofi Wusu aya one fan kambom amba busua we.
Okay.
Date grandpa wo share ya enye ono mpo de share your committee ne share ya or de ye no mpo no date no esesa ye enye ono mpo na esesa no ehemfo a eso chen no na esesa sa date no nso ye den wan kasa o se eye okay nimguase ma no nso so wogi tumu.
Okay, audio now ready. Audio now ready.
The hugu ne nisu aginsakro nya yo asemi esi yenti oye de oye yo ebusuapanyin tieme emri bi aba emri bi ba ebusuapanyin wo ye church elder for Bible na kinkan mami Exodus chapter 22. Exodus chapter 22. Exodus chapter 22 verse 22. Ebusuapanyin kan or say, do not take advantage of the widow or the fatherless. Ebusuapanyin we are suffer. Elder was sorry kesiye Pentecost. Kind. Exodus chapter 22 verse 22. Do not take advantage of a widow or a fatherless. She never said. Now, advantage you can say what you really. Shana found some kind of bonisco. Men is your cranny, men is your janka. I was a penny, me no can say, what is your cranny?
And Colonel Jai was where sisi wonu. Esan say asedi ese wo ye. E ma ye mu bitumi bu ankola no anye. Wo de emprempren ho na me ne chef on pa na asa onye. Sana ne be shankran. Ha bu sabeji. E bu sabeji mi do bu o ma. Me say bompaye e bu sabeji bompaye said there was spokesperson ni kan ni enye no kure. Hey! Now said your spokesperson ni kan ya no kure. Say abusuapanyin penny who the Lumba mu ebe share East Lagos aseswa. Yeah. Next week Saturday by this time, the boys in Ghana will exhume the body. If Ghana police, the health directorate of AMU, that those who give permit for burial, transition, if they will not come before us to let the truth be known, so that the body of that Lumba is assumed to the right place of permit, and we use it, because if persuasion fails, force may be applied, but the Ghana boys are not going to fight anybody. We are not going to beat or brony. We are not going to break the.
Hold on for me a minute.
Also, we are going to seek for permits so that by police and CID, we want to go to the resident of that Lumba to cross-check if the mortal remains of that Lumba is in his residence. But before that, we will go to transition with the same group of boys.
So what do you have Bono? Vital point be one of our Mickey, and I want you to go back and play it again. Or say Obelidi and crime for boys. I'm a mako dead Lumba fee. On an account. Instead of a coach.
Now, your spokesperson say abusuapanyin who the Lumba mu ebe share East Lagos aseswa. Yeah. Next week Saturday by this time, the boys in Ghana will exhume the body. If Ghana police, the health directorate of AME, that those who give permit for burial, transition, if they will not come before us to let the truth be known, so that the body of that Lumba is exhumed to the right place of permit, and we use it, because if persuasion fails, force may be applied, but it will be minimum force. The Ghana boys are not going to fight anybody. We are not going to beat or brony. We are not going to break the doors. We are going to seek for permits, so that by police and CID, we want to go to the resident of that Lumba to cross-check if the mortal remains of that Lumba is in his residence. But before that, we will go to transition with the same group of boys to go and check in the books of transition that the body that the Lumba that they collected, where did they bury it? We are for peace. But when we speak, there is no clan in Ghana that is stronger than the Ghans. Go and check the record. We are in Heritage Month. Go and check records. Go and check record. Some nonsense must stop in Accra. And this is the time. This is the hour. This is the moment. So somebody tell the spokesperson of Abusuapanyin boy. Abusuapanyin kwada na esi yesi Lumba. Ewo East Lagos. Monka tense mi video ni yensaka. Minimum person of penny take the message of me ya membra. I the video no apopolo purpose. And if you should know Amaka or radio so almost 200 more. Media, the teacher will say, I realize that a screen recording is going on. That is why I keep repeating myself. So that Obian to try and see and go cut. But tell me, Abusuapanyin Ebansu, Elder Ebansu, Miss Serwaa, I will video you say, Musun count. na yanko hwe sampa se usie Lumba mu misleading la asase so ye be yam ya wano men fan say threats because me to me nyamade enhye wani but asase bekasa me say then asase bekasa na me twa to aba wo so aka bi no odobroni tie me ba me kai say yes ye Lumba na buso panyi ka kire yen say Lumba atro won nsam ase mu say owu a ye kata me odobroni tie me ba do first la ho ya ta tie me ba nkala na ma me tie me ba obi amre mama wo yire tie me ba tie me
I had it was
See, Rahel, these are the reasons why you move be about platform user and they are blasting on. The impunity with which they rain disrespect on people is so nauseating. Obi emre mama na yire into one ya invite us be DJ love for into one say ware no. Rahel, your information be some the ma wa ho bedru. And information I want from sources tintin be our close source. On say odobroni for no mostly empire say nya adwuma. Say the legal wife for ne ye nso ye bia mama Akosua Serwaa me do nyame sen kobe no madrawu. Ensema yi nim se be hwe agu platforms ne so mama no kobe no madrawu.
because how can you say this?
I mean, how can you say this?
can be no odobroni tie me ba me kai say yes ye Lumba na buso panyi ka kire yen say Lumba atro won nsam ase mu say owu a odobroni tie me ba do first la ho ya ta tie me ba nkala na ma me tie me ba obi amre mama wo yire tie me ba tie me odobroni tie me ye nyina ye te sentino ye ni so ade hu ni se Lumba na adwemu ado enti wa ye nsamase wa ye de akoto omai court kese na se daachi bi oda ni benkum so a ya kenkai odobroni ka se ye court ye si bibi ani wo ho na ye hu se empo Lumba ka se munsie ni fia ifa no ka ifa no tro ebuso penye chemba ka kire yen se wan kasa ada mukai wasi wan kasa ada se Lumba atro woni mi wem na Lumba ka kire ne mba na Lumba be ka kire ne mba nka ncha Akosua se wafusu Lumba be ka kire ne mba se owu a yen kata ne ni nka ncha
this Akosua Serwaa no so oyeyere a and think onim the wish of that nikun that Lumba na Rahel so oyeyere a now enkola no krampo a omoye wo yemu ma no they know the wish of their father wono a wo fra wo so woyeyere no you don't know the wish of this man what shows say this man no aye kana sem no oyeyere hwe papa panyimu pa wote radio so all kasa asem we hwe obi a all incite violence say there is no clan in Ghana that is stronger than the gas.
And
You think this statement is weak?
Okay, he made a statement saying, we are for peace, but when we speak one to us, we all know that particular, it says that we are for peace, but when we speak, it's for war.
Yes, it's for war.
Violence.
It's for violence. He's for violence. And nontina, right? Okay, we pa. These gap you for now, more call if you hold now more acting. That is why I was very furious at them. Say moti hono say nka counselor ya me kasa nsem we ya. Will you people act? The answer is no. And inti sa insightful comment now, violence now o create here no. A so repercussion na yen sa kan ya sisi no mo matwa letter. When nam ne residence hono ma Mose mo de kwa koma abusuapanyin say mono you have the authority to what to summon abusuapanyin to mo palace. What legal authority do you have? And it's under me cancel because meaning said the councillor you can and mono you are acting based on what he said. All of these what insightful comments now yeah you know and I incite mo ama mo so mo take more action you know. Na nye spirit bia nye honhom bia na anybody has violated. In any case, so be violate any spiritual of the land. Nka spirit na emeka nkyere mo. Nka spirit na betena se atwea ma obi mum na aba be kan sana you people will act. So it means that what you are acting, what you are doing, you're not doing that word in a good faith. Obi say abusia panyin no will take advantage of what of the widow. And unti mo na mo the violent of all the clans. So you people should act. Ampa na mo act. Ampa okay no and you people are following. It's not sad because mind you, we are all Ghanaians. Obi nye Ghana ni nchen obi o. Ana oba santiman mu a, ye wan crime for so wa santiman mu. Enu ti se nkrani a wo santiman mu no, so owu a na ye kosie no a, na se nkranfo no ye o mamamre na so mu sie no a. What to say ohini bi free manhia na so free ahemfie bi aba se ono so eba be ya amamre wo obi funu ho. What be that? Ni ani funu wuo na ya amamre. Na osie ni funu. Okay, and when say that Lumba, I go through all the procedure, I do all the necessary nonsense. Say yen see no, I won't fear, na ya see no, I won't fear. Wo wouldn't why say, was say, assassin a would the antino, I was a woman over a mamre will be funuso. What he be or him? This is not what customary.
How much I say fear no musie no they don't yes but
it is not true, Rahel. Nipa bebre wo ha yesi omu e wo mu fie e won kran. So enra question me bisa ye ne se enunti omu a yesi omu e wo mu fie ina e won kran no san krofo ya omu ko ho no me omu have they been able to go around all the houses and then perform any amamre bi a omu kana na? The answer is no. So why this particular one is because it is this particular one and no bit is a counselor ebe cancer insightful comment and into now more yes. Let's be fair here. Let's be very fair here. Because you can go to the northern region and you will go there and you will see what some Ashantis there. You go to Volta regions and you will see some Gans there. You go to a central region and you see Voltarians there. In Ghana, we are everywhere. And you have the liberty to go and stay anywhere you want. Why? Because we are all Ghanaians. Irrespective of what? Of the barrier, the language barrier. You can stay anywhere you want. So why do you want to what? Sound as if say some people are more Ghanaian than others. Some people can perpetrate more violence than others. When you do that, it means you are not acting what in good faith. So in any case, right? So even say what to say, ya kum obi, and na make us say we say what to say, obi a kum obi krampo ashe ni fie ya. You don't pick guns, you don't pick cutlasses, you don't pick tools to go to that house. No.
Hey, Kinke, I'm seminar, you know, boss, on social media, no, you don't raise that. Entina, yes, Sanfa Kinke. Yeah. Sanfa.
I understand that. You see, so what is obi di bone kra woni fie a na se wotia se wo kra na wo ton asase ne man no mani seed dan no krampo a you have no legal authority or no legal right to move to that house to say wo momu no wo kwa akọ panish ni pakro no. No, you go through the legal process. There are security authorities. You go to them. You go to the police. Go and make a report. Or better still, go to court. Why? Because say yes, idea. We are what? We are in the jungle, and the survivor of the fittest. We are human beings. And until we don't go by that survivor of the fittest, say yes, idea, then the weak will always what, continue to suffer. It is always the stronger or the strong that will always what reign. Enya emwa na ne ho ye din chen yonko no na o chenewe. We don't do that as human beings. So me de adesrede na me stress de omo a omo di animu na omo yes they are going there because of say omo omo asase so na you need Ghana you need say obi asase so ni. Why? Because you don't know the circumstances of it mama wa free in crime akotena Kumasi. And I say wait mama wa free in crime akotena Sunyan. And we are all the same. We are all Ghanaians.
Came into us all.
Yeah.
Just a office. No crabby baby. Men chow. Maybe I'm the sea. I blame me. To be a 1 minute. A question. A contribution. It is more Konya. Yes, that's if you see. Men on me too. Me shall pe. I blame me.
I think Serwaa was Sister Rahel. What's about me? Yeah. Serwaa in Pachobram.
Alex. Yeah. Guys. I don't know. Anka way loose talk ni way there. Kama mpesa ono na yeni di anka. Meka mwa ibia. Monaco say me nimi bia Monaco time dia anka way nka me can be 30 seconds or 1 minute be pay.
Hey, loose talk. Hey, wait, Papa, wait there now. Person be can say man.
Ni dey no say loose talk.
I Papa loose talk. Okay.
Meaning say Monaco time
dia.
Just 1 minute pe. Alex.
Okay.
Meaning say bia Monaco say me can 1 minute pe na you moving on to a champagne family house no communicate no. And no can be say me touch on.
Yeah.
Right. I'm say last week me na yeah discussion be what say. Me can say be. Me say how fluent you speak English, it doesn't determine your level of intelligence. You must add in trim. What you then I say? Because a man for be who say, oh, he speaks well, or you learned near ye. I say don't get here a coach be me person make up me cap AI never drop me. What you say? I send ye at times ye jina baby kasano. Right? So once say you be kasa we no, o kasa we pe. O transfer cap was there be coming we na fe was start to patch o. My channel videos be 6 hours ago. After I feed you call radio station to radio station. Baby obedu bia no patch o. What you na say? Right or there bia na make up na makohwe mechi. Rwanda war be start we nyina. Say ya omo insight omo call radio station omo insight ya manfo. Ya no kasa no aya at times ye nhwe ni ye. Emi enken wie na afedi ensan ko jam baby nko pacho. We asem de me mpese me can be. Why?
We the mama fan kakra. Me nim say rolling person obetachi base so I asem no
Hey, this is the Pharaoh. Pharaoh. Hey,
Alex.
It's rolling.
Me pacho me join late song. Ryan pacho me back. Who say NY started we be late in the night.
Yeah, that right. You know, na
aha, intino me pacho so unya timer. Because Alex, and then 7 day banedoso. Was I say a Friday night? What do I say?
Yeah.
Just a month for bet 2 hours, to be or baby other. And yet, just a make say a BC next 2 months and next 3 months too. Next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and you may be seeing right. Okasa men drop evidence ni say can amount for voice notes and kasa. What you are say? Unless can be before as a landing yes you yes 7 amount for letters. And you need power company 7 letters. Landing no more for. Osho omo team members na baby omo wapa London. Hey sorry, me can London, UK any Germany. What is it? Baby omo be Panama. Letters ne they say they right fly left, right, center, baby. Omo letters no. And momu who say omo Western countries nintino. Ubit maka bibia fa wedi. Right. Oh, sa krona oteno. Emra no de atichiri krono. Ntunti min tan baby anka baby say until letters ne de no mu benya pa. Omo benya pa. Ya no asem no right. Me so ba ayafa okala etu omufo right uye broni ntie bia okasa che omum betie tu omufo me pacho wa why Alex say ya ready dia nke yemfa baby about 5-10 minutes dia enye right ho in man because them say okasa nyina obre aha no say echo wom okasa yentini ye
pacho I think say na monarch person can be ntie so wetin monarch
Kinke, yabema monaka ba mun se yabese yi Rahel yi ne free ho. Na nke jaima mo. Aha. Yabese jaima mo. Ya adwen se yabe raise yi from Enra. Ya de aye yi. Star Rahel ne phone na all kasa kra na yentini yi. Eti mpacho, obin postu ne din wase ho no.
Ufaro dey say ka betwa ne picture o.
Na me bacho baby awu bia obetimi asende whatever that you have. You see raise a yi kakra de eto ayi emano ha din na wase ho no pacho o UK Ghana da ana isuna da ana se America na se UK London pacho de obetimi asend ya yenya no in the next 10 minutes pacho in the next 10 minutes de obeye bia
Rahel me pacho position pillow ni ye why comment section on man.
They are finding it very difficult for pillow no ebo bosa. Oh, okay. That is fine. Oh dear. I think
better only Rahel.
No. Once you say you win the man in team pacho. No, it's okay, it's the Rahel. I think
Alex, me nim the be man for the na man no nim so ka ho bi.
Okay. Mr. Rahel pacho bra near bra. Mr. Rahel pacho betrase na. Menim se wanim no so ka ho. Ayi almost
omuti
and yeah, you could take crocodile skin. You say,
Alex, yeah, it's a much
33 times crownya.
Kinky, Madame Fobiana, Omoko Pacho. And now, oh dear, Chile, Mamba could say, sign. Next year, also now you don't patch on Mediatum. Obi, ya didn't patch on Mugentum. Me pacho, you left Ghana out. Oh, Ghana for pacho. Sister Rahel number and a wash your honor. You perceive raise a ye eto a ye a day. You raise the cacrebidi ato a uniform no as a hanakakra. And Timpacho, you raise a ye BCC na. The pacho o send ya trade done. O send ya trade done. And you should bet 10-15 minutes being pacho. You raise it say obi say iPad. Ai. This one batch of fa ayi pillow no tobo na. On sha na the old be you no patcho. Aha. O send ya no atred dan na ye hunu nipa wa send. This one enter unka. Aha. E patcho. O send ya na wabo. This one patcho ayi ho no ma patcho bo ayi superstar mame. Why? It is anyone na check. I go superstar.
Rahel, man check no updating Alex. Rahel checking ne updating. Obi a short down na.
Oh, okay.
Why?
Rahel. Yes. And running no. Na me share no. We say Victoria. Rahel. What text?
You are still muted.
Rolling and running no. Yeah. You're raising almost 6K. Almost 6K.
Oh, and run it.
And run, you're starting a crabby.
6K. And 6K, they never told. We in a China phone or too.
Entina Victoria send it you will say.
Right, mobile number and also no. Right? And also no. Okay. Why? Yeah.
O send there. Victoria sending it DSS done. I didn't know about your unya hudina, or being for dinner and twice here. Would a Trinidad no keke, Eunice Force and Uncle trade you. Not an obia try to say dead Lumba in our chat or Debbie. Eunice Force and no, and natural. I no sooner wash wrong, but we are not trade done. Yeah. Obviously the number ends in then. Okay. Hey. Rolling.
I'm saying last 3 digits 668.
Ghana be there. Nyamishra. Ghana be there so send any there. And na nipa na otra MTN no send the MTN na say dey. Asem. Yemhwe de echo. Me ba so wi ana wa chere dan. MTN wo send the MTN e da say. E ba cho wi ana wa send dan. Dan wa see hodom na. Your boarding. That's our voice no problem.
On mute. Yeah, and ton kan.
On mute. On mute here banner emba ha dan no why ni Mr. P. Okay. Mr. P, thank you. And loop kinda. Hey. Loop kinda. Okay. Done. Loop kinda so say. Loop kinda. Mr. P said done. Okay, Mr. P so. Thank you. Yeah, and tone can say voice nice. There be voice nice style. I fear Kwachewa 1999 then. Obviously done. Why ni I fear Kwachewa. Oh, thank you. Done. Happy K done. My voice is faint. I internet say replace with no man. Lupe kinda and I said Braudino. Claudia. Yeah, Claudia so was sending it there.
Rahel, position your pillow well, please.
So I think say o costume na know I check here yama white and certain colors na my comment section say you know Claudia said done no I be Eunice Forsen why be done nana yaw 045 na number say so na no so mo fa free him fa nana yaw okay Lola said done easy say done thank you omudini de mi hu charity begins at home we there for so
Rahel Dan no is it reflecting an almost short down nekeke it is okay
what kind me pa say rolling madam for basar ni okodo obi afu na nipa ne ka say basar ni edo wi a omofa ne sika ma no akwana nkodo afu no oba se wado awie na omkukuru sika no done done sweets done sweets done na why be charity for su where that Lumba offer se for no bia na ko okay
dan e ba ne sa no say who hit the target now no aka ntem ma me anyi ma ne mroso
ai on say endra na yi na almost start here no kra on say Ghana said yes send the ade no ho obviously alezo some are reply hwe dan no nkrofo de na omuka dan ka chiro Fadan
MTN number no also no MTN number no last 3 digits 668
MTN number no was no
yellow colored way no right
game changer thank you
Rayo obi sending messages as I say OG new phone idea any obey no 828 onion 84.
Ah, nothing. I right on here. Debbie near. Debbie 8 to a idea Debbie. Done. Why be? I game changer. Obi abetro was said done no someone repeat. Ajwa. Na mo dwen said done no match and sankofo bi no mo catch mo done. Yes no na. Okay. Say rolling yenya 10,900 until almost 11. Until yeah. Done no way. Yan share. This is our yan share bia.
Money calling him kaka. Don't go and buy a China phone. Right. Bring Poma, where's our total China phone?
I say all the dance are legit. I Ghana bede. Me. Omoko di mutu ye no. Ombeka dan. Ombeka so motu option so moboa. Ntinya dan bia na ye dan. Woni Ghana for dilia ye careful. Enye dan bia na ye dan. Aha. Ke ye. Sani pa we so chini pa we sarayo. Ke ye no. Ha, me koto no baby no wa soja wo ho. Na mzi na sa yen krofo yi ai eye me nwa kra. Eye me nwa kra sta dan ke ye aha okay. Hey, o chini pa mi ura to kro bia ma no ho. Na mzi I would have done it.
He's doing a good job.
I can students no omo ni agro. This Mr. Sante there some upon no. Mr. Rahel, moon to 18 sa. Moon to Mr. Sante Trinsa. Na mo mi shop man why. Hey. Ajuma o ye no. Ati from bacho who send there no actually done. Aha atabilonia so here branch. Sama mi we.
Bilonia so ye juma Alex.
Ajuma o ye.
I'm telling you,
Alex. Let's get her Bluetooth AirPods. But the beauty for Nansa, yes, sir. Only Ghana for ya, dear. Only Ghana for ya, dear. Enti the Dan no, I be ma at Bioana. Dan no pacho. Yen you su. Abo the next a year. 5 minutes, na.
The next 5 minutes will be okay, Alex.
Alex, what you mean?
Yeah, can came at one couple.
This is both Vivian Abaswa, also Sunday and Ra, and then so was not Sunday. On the was.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Vivian.
Vivian Nanaya. So
Vivian Nanaya. Oh, okay. Yeah. Nice. Thank you so much, Vivian. I hope they won't come and. Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Then no. Hey, and why do you say kinki ni omo toba how kra me misru? Me de misru kra, misru.
Otuma me.
I think so omo toma wo.
Oh, ene me dana se wa hwan ya dana se ma me.
I me damasi kinki. And no. Yan share the next 5 minutes. Bacho, onyan sende yan bacho. Obin post to Dino. A Dino was here. Na in the next 5 minutes, no. Oh, Sister Vivian, Yamishra. Claudia, no, you send you there. Joa, I remember. Yes. Ohima Sika. Ohima, hey, Udinya do. Ohima Sika. Thank you, pa. Mimi, I want your momo. And I was wrong. Number and I was wrong. But your momo number and I was wrong. And then I want China 053. So 105 053 433 266 8 no. E dino so na mo de ato ase no. And then some people why say ka. See, I'm thinking Sister Rahel nka yetimi raise be 20 ma wanka benya phone papa. Nti yan hwe say yetimi dru a fan yan true what dey na say. Eunice Forsen.
It me 15 gram punaka. Me for say.
Yes, that's fine. That's fine.
15, okay.
Yeah, that's fine. Obi say I send my Ghpagetv. Thank you so much. Thank you. Eunice Forsen. Faustina Amma. Thank you. I said done. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you. We will get there. I one day at a time. No. The next 2 minutes be anana. Yeah, the about ye. Ma obi antwere da no abra obi be twere da no akasa me sende nra. So I madam phobia your class no bisa na say oh hema na me chira Faustina Abiam Jenna. Madam phobia your class na mo say omo pe nkramofu asondan ne brofudi. Na akwa na say wabon na teacher say ubehu o say mos na teacher say hey jai manka. Baje Chaubia class no 2 Chaubia 2. Paulina, Star Paulina, thank you so much. Akwane come no teacher ni so nyai. No Chaubia 2. After movie na teacher so nko gina class na no kan den. Akwane ko gina class na mo se mosalachi. Am say mosalachi se sen. Enti obi wo be chere dan no. Wonim se wa send you one send it. This is pacho in the next 2 minutes now you are bringing it to a closure. Until me so be can't done now mommy hunu ni ye nyasa done we never say obi done no hunu na can be yeah share. Is that why pacho? I said the number is gone. Oh the number no was sure. Yentonka. This is how they bo nyum ayi bo awo show mami. Why? Ana superstar. Yentonka. Bo superstar. Pe superstar na bo. A very faint. Into there. Play superstar and wrap it up. Why?
Right. You wanted to do what? Play a song.
Yeah, play. When you play the song, we hear.
Go ahead and do it. Yeah.
When you play the song, we hear. Why? Enti bonyum no na yen wrap it up. Or see he dropped. Play it. Why? We are going to change the phone for. Yeah.
Unless KE say Dan no Dan kwaku ye boana.
Ghana for no.
KE the sure.
Mebacho akwa see 13,650. 13,650.
13,650. So we are almost there.
We are almost there. 13,650 no. Enti 13,650 no na akasen. Akabe 130 something on.
13,650. 135. Is it 35? Yeah.
It's 13 something. 1,350
something like that.
Hey, now mama mchire dan kwa kuya bwana biwa hawo. But obi stand no user 13 then done. Rihanna.
Mumwadi didi mpanyifo nyina atem. Etu sema matmonti ase.
Thank you.
Load the gun for me. Obia bedis tribulate. From MDY. Ebu ofana DFA. Now, first of all, mumwa said that the Lumba send the paka on penny. Anya mua yo deponin timothy send my pampa so he come wasem. Me kwatia mete. Sano baby breaky ye fear oh ya drunk. So mommy mwadie na papa jana mi be say your dog body fault. Sinners judging sinners. Moya monyo you don't child laugh ya betes. I come on ko nanka wado bro ni ne ma fe na ya betes. Mode money asentre mano ho totro mano moto ho na da sisi abi so moto ya to money kwasi akeka body obi atem so mo ye product of multiple marriage mama me ne nkofo krumu na ni wo so ma ya se contract cancer na my video bema salame kofo ire na wono wonder galawe kwa na woman sorry the question still remains so certificate no marriage receipt papa she inappropriate marriage certificate no mobile appeal marriage receipt inappropriate marriage certificate no marriage receipt papa she enti ya no mo me no se ya wiane kunu na call to say no for receipt bra marriage certificate besi na ayeden papa she se waso asem no e kwa heaven afedi apio na mo high again adam nyansa na tukwan kwan ka biara na breaking news and then kwasi akeka bro for born so there mo fa lekwa mon fiances mon fiancas allegedly move any comely obenum coach right subsequently on a kufu carry flip it money is hard and money chanton sa mo papa na mo mema ne ho mo di obi atem free common member to your man penyin ho ad and there be na mo je ne ho nyansa no ya sa ne boto Jede bra mo beto all right Jesus Christ adoma senema kaka ku Christ de jimiya senema oba panyin abodwe 3 steps abodwe mu daughters of glorious Jesus dai ehukunyom eni se hunu keka kunani third wife eno Tasmania ekru bi asese ni mu bayifo afunum to so ase wo bunta so ton madam Goliath stress to madada se jimiya waduane a udidi ajebi bochu modu jebi udidi ajebi afe ye dasida mama mo ba so konto papa go social media no so man crazy na madad lumba
so we need to trend on social media so it be abesumo channel so ansana ba so no make sure so be like or be share video no dey amai makram